So kids, nag-i-enjoy po ba kayo dito sa Kidsula? Yes or no? Yes, nag-i-enjoy sila. So happy din po kaming nandito kayo today. Before we start, magpapakilala mo na po ako together with my partner. Nag-i-enjoy ka po dito? Opo. Magpapakilala mo na po si ate together with my best partner. Ngayon, Sir Active Eddie, your host today. Kasama ko po si Kuya Ulysses. So let's try to fire. Okay lang po ba mag-dance muna tayo? So we're gonna warm up our body in the tune of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. So sasabayan ko po si ate at si kuya sa ating dance. Yan, kakanta tayo at sasayaw today bago tayo gumawa ng ating arts and craft activity. Yan, sasabay kayo lahat kay ate at kay kuya. Okay, so kids, sasayaw kayo at kakanta. So gagayahin nyo lang po si ate. Okay. Yes. Okay, come on. Twinkle, twinkle, dropping light on the corner, shining bright. Red means stop, green means go, yellow means very, very slow. Right? Okay, one more time. Uli-ulitin natin. Okay, sabay-sabay tayo kids. Come on, let's go. Twinkle, twinkle, dropping light on the corner, shining bright. Red means stop, green means go, yellow means very, very slow. Twinkle, twinkle, dropping light on the corner, shining bright. Very good. So, please sit down po kayo. Sit down. Sit down muna po kayo dito sa gitna. Sit down. Ipapakita sa inyo na ito pwede yung gagawin natin. Sit down po dito sa gitna. Sit down. Yan. Gagawin ang kinanta natin at sinayaw kanina. Activity po natin ay traffic light. Mistake. So, mayroon po kami printed traffic light po dito. Ang gagawin po natin, gagamit tayo ng glue and colored paper. So, first po, lalagyan nyo ng glue yung circle ng ating traffic light. And then, the first stop, yung unahan, pinakataas, kakapitan lang natin ng color red. And then the next, color yellow. And then the last part ay color green. Green, very good. So, put it na tayo sa ating tables and chair. Sit down na po kayo dito sa ating tables and chair. And come here po. Colored paper. Yan, yung start na po, bibigyan na kayo na atin na colored paper. So, una-una natin lalagyan yung pinaka-top. Lagyan nyo na po ng glue yung lahat ng circle. And then, you can share the glue to the other kids. done. Okay, after putting the red, we'll get the next on our next circle. It's the color yellow. Sky. Kuya Sky, what is the meaning of yellow sa ating traffic light? Yes, slow. So the yellow means very, very slow. How about you, baby boy? What's your name?
Harvey.
Harvey. Baby Harvey. On our traffic light, what is the meaning of green?
Red, yellow, green.
Andar, guys, means go. So our traffic light, the red means stop, yellow means slow, and the green means go. Very good. Hi, baby, what's your name? Kuya Primo, what is your favorite color? Green. You like green. Hi, Kuya, what's your name? Ezekiel. Kuya Ezekiel, what is your favorite color? Yellow. You like yellow? Hi, Kuya, what's your name?
Alip. Huwag ka yellow dun, no?
Raven. Raven, what is your favorite color po? You like blue. Hi, ate, what's your name? Teya. Ate Teya, what is your favorite color? You like blue din? Wow. Hi, baby girl. What's your name? Baby Macy, what is your favorite color? You like pink? Wow! Hi baby, what's your name? Star? Strong! Because it's strong! Wow! What is your favorite color, baby girl? You like green? Wow! Yan, tapos na po ang ating mga kids. So, pag natapos niyo, magkakaroon tayo ng group picture. O, ikaw, baby boy, what is your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue, you like blue din?
Dali mo na yan. Dalhin mo na.
Yan, so tapos na po dito tayo sa gitna because we're gonna have our group picture. Hawak ang ginawa ninyo, traffic light to say. Ang cute naman. Mag-stop, dito tayo sa gitna. Yan, wait natin yung ibang mga kids. Yan, dito tayo kuya sa gitna. Yan, upo tayo dito sa gitna. Yan, wait lang po natin matapos si na Kuya. Ang galing na mag-sing ng Baby Boy. Sino pa nga alam ng song na Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? You want to sing? Come here. You want to sing here?
Alip, gumawa na yan.
Nice! Ang galing naman kumanta. Yan, tapos na sila Kuya. Yan, dito tayo sa gitna Kuya. Yan, come on Baby Boy, dito tayo sa gitna. We're gonna have our group picture together with your traffic light mosaic. So hold it Kuya. It's okay Kuya. Okay, with this one. Okay, mommies and daddies, pwede po kayo dito sa gitna para sa group picture na ating mga kids. So kids, put your traffic light mosaic up. Tapos po ang mga ginawang traffic light mosaic. Show it to mommies and daddies. Ang cute naman. So kids, pag sinabi po ni Ate Pepe na Kitsuna, you will shout hooray. Let's practice nga po. In 3, 2, 1, Kitsuna! Hooray! One more time, kailangan mo mas malakas at may energy. Show your traffic light mosaic to mommies and daddies. Okay, and give your brightest smile habang sumisigaw ng hooray. Dito po ang tingin. So kids, in 3, 2, 1, Kitsuna! Isa pa, kailangan nyo mas malakas at may energy. Sabay-sabay dapat kayo. So kids, in 3, 2, 1, Kitsuna! Very good. So maraming salamat po sa pag-join sa ating arts and craft activity. Maraming thank you din po sa ating mga parents and carers sa pag-support sa kanilang mga kiddos. So kids, may tanong po sa inyo si Ate Pepe. Sino gusto mag-celebrate ng birthday sa Kitsuna? Taas ang kamay! Lahat sila! O dahil dyan, mommies and daddies, meron po kami mga birthday party packages sa pwede mong pagpilian. Refer na po kayo sa ating mga birthday staff and we'll be happy to assist you po. So kids, once again, maraming salamat sa pag-join sa ating arts and craft activity. Sa inyo na po yung mga ginawa nitong traffic light.